Right-click your Chrome shortcut and select Properties. Go to Target. At the end, press space one time. Now type the following. Press apply and OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type msconfig. Open System Configuration. Go to Service tab. Select Hide All Microsoft Service. Click on Disable All. Go to Startup. Click on Task Manager. Right-click your services and select Disable. Now close the Task Manager windows. Press Apply and OK. Press Restart and launch your browser.